Looks kind of like a toilet paper roll, but I assure you it's not. Hey YouTube, it's Gareth here with FCP Euro, and we're gonna do another really quick product review. All right, so what we have here is the O2E DSG Transmission Service Kit. The O2E is gonna be the most common DSG transmission you're gonna find on your front wheel drive Volkswagens, your 4Motion Volkswagens, as well as your 4Motion Audis. Basically, the biggest issue on the O2E transmission, it's actually super reliable. The biggest problem they have is fluid contamination. Volkswagen recommends a service interval about 40,000 miles. The issue that commonly happens is most of these vehicles are coming off of a 3-year lease. They've racked on 30,000 miles, they get resold. Nobody follows the factory recommended service interval. Next thing you know, contamination of fluid, essentially wear particles from the transmission clog up a lot of the Hall effect sensors that are inside the transmission that determine slip and all sorts of other crazy pseudoscience that's happening in there. And eventually the transmission just doesn't work anymore. So the best thing you can do is really just follow the service intervals for the DSG transmission. So what we have here is the crush washer for the drain/fill plug. Yes, you drain and you fill through the same hole at the bottom of the transmission. We also have our DSG filter. This is an OE filter. It looks kind of like a toilet paper roll, but I assure you it's not. We have our Liqui Moly 8100 DSG gear oil. This is gonna work with the O2E transmission perfectly. Not gonna have any problems putting this in there. You can find a link to this kit on our website in the description below. If you have any other comments or questions, you can leave in the comment box below. And other than that, we'll see you for the next one. And that's the whole shebang-a-bang. That's what you came here to watch, right?